Hi, hello, and welcome to Dr. Ashwinth Dental Info. Today we will be having a very short topic, which is how to remember glycogen storage diseases. So we will take up the first 10 types, which is type 1 to type 10, and we will try to remember the names of the glycogen storage diseases. So we have a mnemonic here, which is you have a vice principal named Corey Anderson. Most of the people will know Corey Anderson is a great New Zealand cricketer. Corey Anderson made M-A-D-E her tattoo nothing large. You remember all these letters. Vice principal Corey Anderson made her tattoo. 8 is nothing, 9 is large. 10, make sure you comment if you know, or I will tag the best comment out of it. So we will move on. So what do these letters mean? So V stands for von Gierke's disease, P stands for Pompey's disease, C stands for Corey or Corey as we have remembered, and A stands for Anderson as well, luckily, so we can remember it easily, and M stands for McArdle, and H stands for, we remembered it as hers, so it is her, and T stands for Tarui, and 8 is nothing, so it's nothing, and 9th one is Lewis. So you can remember it. Vice principal Corey Anderson made her tattoo nothing large. This is the mnemonic, and the diseases are as follows. So how do we remember what the enzyme is deficient here, which is the most important thing, right? So when someone asks you what enzyme does Corey's disease lack, and we will be out of clues. We may know that, but we will not be getting it in a flash, right? So the first two you need to remember it. Okay, nothing comes at an easy price. So glucose 6-phosphatase deficiency. You remember it as such, and most of us would have known this. And Pompey's disease is lysosomal maltase. Lysosomal maltase. So you have this. From the third onwards, we will have a great technique, right? So you have a C here. So the next letter of C is D. You have a A here. The next letter of A is B. Write it as such. We'll come to the enzymes later. And then the following diseases have M, L, M, L. Okay, M, L, and M, L, and Lewis also. You must remember it as G. There's no mnemonic for it. Okay, we have written the enzymes also. So Corey's disease is D for debranching enzyme. Debranching enzyme. And Anderson is branching enzyme. Okay, ignore my handwriting, I am not good at sketching. So McArdle's, you have an M, so it is muscle liver and muscle liver. Remember it, ML stands for muscle liver and muscle liver. So you blindly write muscle liver. Okay, you have a P here, and then you have a PFK here, and you are done. Muscle phosphorylase, liver phosphorylase, muscle phosphofructokinase, liver phosphofructokinase. And then the 9th type, Lewis, is glycogen synthase. So these are the terms of the glycogen storage diseases. So we'll have a short recap on this. We learned the mnemonic as vice principal Corey Anderson made her tattoo nothing large. And then we wrote the names of it. V stands for von Gierke, Pompey, Corey, Anderson, McArdle, her, tattoo, nothing, L for large. And make sure you comment and also subscribe my channel too. And then we have the enzymes. The first two you must remember by yourself, which is glucose 6-phosphatase for von Gierke's, lysosomal maltase for Pompey's disease. And then you have a C here, so you write a D, which is debranching. You have a here, so you write a B, which is branching enzyme. So as you know, when someone asks you what is Corey's disease, you just need to remember what is the next letter of C, which is D. It's a debranching enzyme. When someone asks you what is Anderson's disease deficiency, so what is branching enzyme deficiency? You can reverse it. It is Anderson's disease. So McArdle, it is straightforward. M for M, which is muscle phosphorylase, and the following things, if you have followed the mnemonics, it will be very easy task. And if you practice this for 2 or 3 times, and then you will be masters of it. Okay. So the following diseases and the detailed videos about von Grig's disease, what is so special about von Grig's disease and what is so special about Pompe's disease will be posted in the following videos. So what is Courage disease? You got the answer right. So you found this video useful. So make sure you give me a like and a subscribe as well, and share it to your friends so that they may find it useful as well.